Good morning, YouTube watchers. This is the Nation's Bus YouTube channel where we showcase inventory that comes into our Florida store. And this was sitting here in St. Augustine. This is a 2018 Ford Transit 350. It's a 14 passenger. So I'll give you a quick walk around. See, it has rear cargo doors and the side barn style passenger entry doors. The seats are on removable frames, and it's 14 seats, but you can remove the rear row if you need to and make luggage capabilities for that. Standard Ford white, got this Oxford white with the black rub rail, clean as a pin. These are becoming hard to get, and this one like this is even tougher to find in such a pristine condition. The interior is grays and blacks. Seats are gray, floor is black. 3-point belts, center aisle on these two rows. AC vents in the ceiling. And as I mentioned, very clean. I mean, hardly used at all. Right around 10,000 miles, 3.7 liter. And this unit is located on our website for everyone to see at nationsbus.com. We have this and many more shuttle buses. So thanks for taking a look this morning, and please give us a call or contact us through the website, nationsbus.com. Thank you.